Plant lovers are aware of how an unfit pot size can destroy any effort put toward keeping the plant thriving. ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamiifolia, is a foliage ornamental plant that originates in Africa. It's also known as the Zanzibar gem, referring to its original habitat. It's a very forgiving plant, making it perfect for beginners, offices, and those who lack time to care for plants. The ZZ plant is not an aggressive or fast grower. Choosing the pot size. The ZZ plant is an ornamental houseplant that grows outside in tropical regions. On U.S. territory, it's an inside plant. Its size makes it suitable as a tabletop plant or floor plant. The adult ZZ plant can reach up to 3 feet maximum both in height and width, but keep in mind that it's a slow grower. Typically, the young ZZ plants sold in nurseries are 3 to 4 inches tall. Is bigger better? They can thrive in low and bright light, are highly drought tolerant, and can live in the same pot forever. There's a slight risk of becoming root bound, otherwise, the pot size doesn't affect the plant. ZZ plant is a succulent that grows from rhizomes that store enough water and nutrients for periods ahead. As the plant grows bigger above the soil, the rhizomes underneath expand too. What kind of pot is best? You have a wide choice of pot material: ceramic, fiberglass, wood, or plastic. Plastic pots are lightweight, don't break easily, and you can effortlessly drill drainage holes in the bottom if there aren't any. Ceramic pots are healthier for the plant as they can absorb excess water. This cuts the chances of the plant developing root rot. Terracotta is a porous ceramic that's the best option. However, it's significantly heavier, and all it takes is one fall to break into tiny pieces. How to repot my plant. Transfer it to a bigger pot at the beginning of spring for the best results. Pick a pot that is no more than 2 inches wider in diameter than the previous pot. Remove the ZZ plant from the previous pot and shake out some of the soil from the roots. Prune the roots around the rhizomes. Don't water the repotted plant for a week. How big will my plant grow? The ZZ plant can grow 3 to 4 feet tall in its natural habitat. But potted it reaches a maximum of 3 feet. There are some undocumented claims about 5 feet tall Zamioculcas zamiifolia in the wild. When grown by an experienced plant lover, the ZZ plant can astonish you with its progress. Does Zanzibar gem grow in water? Yes, the ZZ plant can be successfully propagated in water if you know how to go about it. These glorious plants are also quite hardy and can grow exceptionally well in low light conditions. How to cut back a ZZ plant? Firstly, to prune your plant, you would need a sharpened pair of scissors or garden shears to get the job done without any hassles. Ensure that the scissors have been properly sterilized before you start trimming your plant. A word of advice when pruning your ZZ plant would be to cut the stem right down to the soil level. Where can you buy this plant? Well, you have several options to acquire these gorgeous plants, as they are sold at some local garden centers and nurseries and several online stores. However, not all garden centers keep them, so you would have to make inquiries in your area to find out if they do. Why is my plant not dark green? The reasons include over or underwatering, a lack of nitrogen and other nutrients, or exposure to direct sunlight, which can fade the green coloring of your Zanzibar plant leaves. This is because these plants rely on nitrogen to develop chlorophyll, which is responsible for the dark green foliage color. Conclusion. The Zamioculcas zamiifolia, known as the ZZ plant, is a low-maintenance plant susceptible to root bound. This is the reason many opt to repot the plant. Once you purchase it from a nursery, it comes in the correct size pot. As the plant grows, the rhizomes grow bigger and might outgrow the pot. If the rhizomes are an inch away from the pot's walls, it's time for repotting. Repot the ZZ plant in a 2 inches wider pot. Pick a terracotta or wooden pot that can control the moisture in the soil. The ZZ plant is succulent and doesn't tolerate wet soil. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.